Hi, my name is Kathy, and I am here to share a little bit about Daily Grounding, second edition. It's literally a small journal to help you kind of start your day off or end your day, however you want it, with a couple of prompts and ways for you to think about who you are and who you want to become. So at the beginning, I have a little letter to you, and it says, before you get started. I really want you to make sure you take some time to read this, because without knowing how this journal is supposed to kind of move through, it's going to be a little confusing. So and my first journal, our first edition, that's kind of one thing I learned, that people are like, I don't understand what you're doing. So this is kind of like a guide on how to get started. And then after that are pages on pages of blank, fill in the blank, I guess is what you could say, of how to journal using this daily grounding. I actually start on this side and work my way backwards. You are welcome to do it however you want to do. I'm not sure why I always do it this way, but that's what's always worked for me. And so you'll see you'll have today's date. On this section, it's just a nice little spot for some daily gratitude. I call them my gratefuls. On this side, is for 5 credits, 5 things you're giving yourself credit for, either during the day or that night or something like that, or that you're reflecting on the day before. My friend Reggie taught me how to give myself credit, because sometimes I think we forget all the things that we actually have done, and even the smallest little things that you do every single day are meaningful. This part, today's mindset, is a spot for a number, 1 to 5 or 1 to 10, whatever you want to do. I like to do 1 to 5 because it gives you an understanding of where you are in that moment. All it is a number. There's no judgment, no self-judgment, anything like that. It's just a quick little number. And then on this side, these are my 10 intentions. I write the same 10 intentions for at least about 6 months at a time. And every 6 months, I usually kind of reevaluate, are these the intentions that I'm working towards as a person, and during my personal journey, my faith journey, any of those journeys. And I just write them. For example, my first 2 intentions are the very same 2 intentions that have been ever since I started doing this. And the first one is, I am an incredible wife. And the second one is, I am a patient and loving mama. When I first started this, I had 2 teenagers and a very young one. And so patience was very important to me. Now, 3 through 10 have changed dramatically, depending on the season of life that I'm at. Sometimes it's like a personal financial goal, like really wanting to earn cash to go on a trip. So it's like, we went to Disney World, and I do write them in either the present tense or the past tense, because it teaches my brain, it triggers that concept of this is happening. It's not like a question. It's not a wish. It's something that's going to happen, and I'm manifesting it. Or my husband has a brand new lawnmower. Or sometimes it's also very personal, like when my son was deployed, it was, my son is safe. Or sometimes it's specific for my daughter's goals. Like, I just really want this for her. My daughter has point shoes. A great way for you to reevaluate your personal intentions, what you want for yourself, what you want for your family. And again, I write it in the present or the past, so that way it's a consistent piece of triggering my brain to manifest this. And then at the bottom, it has a spot for your 1 word. I like to pick 1 word for the entire year and make that word my theme. Some people like to pick 1 word for a week, or 1 word for the day, or whatever they want to kind of focus on. You do you, however you want, and put your 1 word. And that's it. So it's a quick, simple way to start your day with your daily grounding. And on the back cover, it just gives another quick synopsis of what this is all about. And then for me, I really do believe this. I hope that these pages become a place where you can reconnect with yourself, your faith, and the life you are intentionally creating. I hope this is helpful for you and that you enjoy daily grounding. Thanks.